with these questions, so this part is multiplication with big numbers, okay? So if I said, for example, 12 over 35 times 7 over, let's go with 6. That's a bit crazy. Firstly, that's sort of doable, but 35 times 6 is a bit hectic, right? Now, this is another technique, and it's called cross multiplication. Okay, you're going to basically simplify. You know how we did, for example, let's say I said 12 over 6. Could you simplify that? Yeah. 12 over 6, you can divide by 6 on both sides, the highest common factor. Now, you can do the same thing when they're on different fractions, right? But as long as what? It's numerator and denominator. You can't do that with numerator and numerator. No way. Has to be numerator and denominator, like 12 over 6. Right, so what is a common factor that you can use in this? Which numbers, 35 or 6? Great, that's what I would have chosen too. There's no wrong or right way. I think there is no common factor between 35 and that, but yeah. So here, what can you divide by?
6.
Right, divide by 6, divide by 6. Or what you could do is, if you had this question, you could have done it like this, times 7 over 6. Another way that people do it is they go, okay, 1 and 2. I've shown it what happens. This is like the foundation route, showing you what's going on. This is me saying 12 divided by 6 and doing it in my head. Now, can I do 35 and 7? Yeah. Right, and that's all your multiplication. So what's 35 and 7? What's the common factor? The highest common factor.
5.
I know what you're doing. I know how you got 5. But what can 35 and 7? Can 7 divide by 5? No. What can 7 divide by? And also 35 can also divide by? 7. Well done. So we're going to go divide by 7, divide by 7. Or, if you're going to do it the other way, 7 divided by 7 is 1. 35 divided by 7 is 5. Now what do we have left over? If I had more room below, I would be continuing below. But because I don't, I'm going this way. That's 2 over 5 times 1 over 1, which is 1 over 1, which is essentially 2 over 5. Do you understand that? We'll go through another question that I'm going to put up on the board. But basically, you don't have to do 12 times 7. 84 over 35 times 6 and then working it out. That's a bit crazy. This is the most efficient way. Let me put up another question. I want you to have a go at that. Okay. So if I said 96 over 3 times 12 over 8. Bit of a hectic one, okay? I want you to have a go at that question there.